Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll teach you how you can download and play Free Fire on PC. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your desktop. For this one, I choose Chrome. After opening Chrome, go to web address bar and search gameloop.fun and hit enter. Then it will take you to the homepage of Gameloop, and there you have to scroll down. And there you can see many games like Call of Duty, PUBG, Free Fire. Then click on Free Fire and click download. After downloading, click here and hit yes. After that, another pop-up will appear on your screen which is from Gameloop. So go ahead and install that also. Then it will take some time. So be patient and wait for it to download. After downloading, click on start and it will start installing. Then you just have to wait until it installs. It will take quite a moment, so be patient and wait. After the download is complete, scroll down and choose Free Fire option. And there you can see that Free Fire is already downloading, and again you just have to wait. So guys, after downloading it, it will automatically take you to Free Fire, and there you can start playing it. All of the controls are also shown in the screen as you can see, and you can enjoy. And then you can log in and start playing. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more.